What's going on, nipple lovers? We got this guy here, and we're doing big mods, huge mods, crazy horsepower mods to his car right now.
Crazy.
And what are we really even doing, Jack? I don't really know.
We're doing an alignment.
We're aligning it. Really ghetto.
I just ran over my finger. Fuck.
Idiot. So we got like a bunch of things and stuff or whatever. I guess these are called control arms or camber arms or something. K-tuned or whatever.
Those are forearms.
These are forearms?
Yeah.
So this is the foreskin?
Yes. Well, no, on the end over the ball joint.
Oh, that's the foreskin. Okay, so we had to take this foreskin and line it up with the under 5 skin over there. And then from there, we're going to make them go on right or something. You twist it a whole lot of times, I guess, from what I heard.
I wish my car was just lifted.
Is it an 05? I really don't know the answer to that.
6, I think.
06. TSX. BBS. Lowering springs. What do you have on it?
Got H&R springs and some Coney orange boys.
That's the mod list.
And it's got
Mugen window visors, which are pretty much more expensive than your springs.
No, maybe.
You should be a Nissan owner.
I am a Nissan owner.
Well, this is way dumber than a Nissan.
No, this is multi-link. It's actually
Because camber arms on any Infiniti or Nissan are right here and they go right to there and then they freaking stick out or pull in.
No, that's your LCR. Do you ever own a Honda? Do you know anything?
Why would I own a Honda?
Everyone that owns a Honda knows that's your LCR.
Well, sometimes people with LCRs are freaking smelly.
Or, it's LCA.
Whatever. Yeah, what's LCR anyways? Lower control rod?
Lower control rectum.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Yeah, freaking.
Plate boys.
So is this what lug nuts look like? I've never actually used lug nuts before.
I just have one big lug nut.
I usually just RTV my wheel onto the threads.
I just have one big lug nut.
One huge lug nut in the middle.
Well, now we can try and turn it.
It's turning.
No way, is it?
Yeah, I see it.
Just,
You turned it.
did it turn? Or did something break?
I think you rounded. Yeah, you rounded it a little more.
Holy fucking hell, that was loud. Keep going.
Yeah, you can get one at her. It's turning.
It is turning.
Fuck yeah, I'd say that's good. That's turned. You turned it at least a good like 60 degrees.
Now we gotta put it all back together and check the toe again.
Yep.
Here, hold this on there so that doesn't turn while I tighten the nut. Even though I highly doubt it will. Ah, fuck you, guy at the store or whatever. Alignment guy. I win, you lose.
You guy at the store or whatever. This is pretty cool ratchet. Be seeing if somebody, you know, fucking deep throated it. That wasn't gay. Is it tight?
Yeah, is the top pushed in on yours?
Yep.
Okay.
We got 70 and just under 1/8.
Push that against the tire.
And 70 and just about 1/8.
Alright, well that's like,
That's really close.
what, like a 16th off?
Yeah, like not even, like a 30-second off. Yeah. Alright, so now that we got the turbo all good and shit or whatever, Jack's like trying to figure out where to put a light.
Everything's made out of aluminum.
Sweet. So what we're taking off is this part here, and it links to there. And apparently Jack's taking off the exhaust tip. For some reason, he wants to polish it or something. He wants to polish his tip.
I don't want to break that bolt. Eventually.
3 hours later. You edit that SpongeBob thing in there.
3 hours later.
So we finally got this old puppy out of there. And we're sticking the new puppy in there right now. Well, Jack's fucking shoving it in there, I guess. Lower it down, put a jack under this, and you're just set. That's how I usually do it.
Ugh. Jeez, that's a lot of work.
It's way more work than, or way less work than holding like this.
No.
Yes.
Just grunt louder.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Hemorrhoid harder.
The more hemorrhoids, the more hemis.
Yeah, hemis and hemorrhoids.
Sickest crummy ever made. How many foot-pounds is that?
2 Oga Bogas.
1200.
You want the long boy? So you can snap it right in half?
Pretty tight. I think that's good. It's definitely good.
Gotta
So
loosen
now
the
you
other
want to take
side.
the jack.
Is the other side
Jack this
tight?
baby up.
Well, I snugged it with my finger.
Easiest way to get that.
You gotta
in.
loosen.
That looks good.
So, apparently K-Tuned is like, you want a cotter pin from any fucking angle you could ever imagine, we're gonna put 4 holes in it. So it makes it really hard to get your crown nut.
Oh, I got it. Haha.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright, so
Jesus
we've been
Christ.
trying to get this crown nut to not cross thread on these 4 holes for the past like 15 minutes or so. So it's really difficult because you could line it up perfectly, and even if it's straight, see, it won't go on. Like, come on.
Where is it?
It's not even on the car and it's hard to do it. So have fun with that.
A little long because it won't be tucking in the back.
Who's tucking what?
Because it was like tucking the tire before.
Alright, so we got this adjusted and now tightened up. It was 2.8 degrees of camber, and with our ghetto laser level, it is now at 0.8 to 1 degrees. It wasn't settling, but it was 0.8 to 1 degrees according to that level. So now we're doing this side. We also checked the toe because we knew this side's toe was good, and it's 70 inches front and 70 inches back, which means the toe is actually spot on. Hopefully when we put this on, it doesn't fuck it up big time. And yeah, with any luck. Yeah. So this side was way less of a bitch than the other side. We're putting this back side in there now. Jack's retightening is that the ABS sensor?
Yeah.
He's returning the ABS sensor to the bracket. Whatever. You be the camera guy then.
Don't hold it sideways, man.
You hold it
Shit
sideways.
gets all fidgety and.
Is that you're gonna have those creepy borders on it from 2006?
Yeah. I hope so. I'll make sure it has it.
Gonna lower her down, and we're gonna juice up the bottom of this right here to sit this puppy in there good.
Tell me when.
That's probably good.
It's probably good. Goes down another 6 inches. Lower it down. Lower it down.
There it is. 1.8.
Really?
I don't believe it.
Like, it could come out a little bit more. It could.
So we're just about finishing up here. Jack's got this thing on the ground, making a couple minor tweaks to the toe. The camber's where it needs to be. It's sitting at about 0.8 to 1 on both sides. It wouldn't level perfectly with our weird laser thing, but 0.8 to 1 is where it's sitting. And that's negative, obviously, not positive, because that's weird as hell if you were positive. And yeah, he's just adjusting the toe a little bit. This side was toed out, or no, toed in? Toed out, a tiny bit. And then once he adjusts that, we should be good to go.